Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Lee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do consider subscribing if you're not yet a subscriber. If you're a subscriber, thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. So in today's video, I went to visit my mother and I had to pick up something from her house. So keep on watching the video to see what I'm talking about, and I hope that you enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys, and please do share the video. Guys, I really need your support, so if you want to support me, please like the video and share.
Hello guys,
So today I'm in Allen Beach. I'm visiting my mother. This is my brother. Just wanted to show you Allen Beach, but I'm not gonna show you the whole town. I'm just gonna show you and it's cold.
Wabata. Wow, it's cold Wabata.
Hey, it's cold, Waba. So guys, Allen Beach is a very small town close to Odindal. You'll find black, colored, and white people there. So yeah, it's a very big community. Yeah, everybody gets along very well. So yeah, this is where my mother is staying. I used to stay with her before I moved to where I'm staying. So guys, if you want to see more of Allen Ridge and more of the people, I'm sure that there are more people who won't mind being filmed. So yeah, just leave a comment on the comment section, then I will make a day so that I can be able to show you the whole of Allen Ridge and the people, different races staying there. So on the right side is a church. So most people who attend the church, it's white people, but I do see black people go there, but it's white people church. Yeah, so but if you're black or colored, you're also welcome to go there. It's a very nice church. I think it takes only 2 hours. Yeah. So guys, if you want to see more, please leave a comment and then I'll make a very special day to go and show you. Maybe I'll just interview a few people just to see like what kind of people are staying there in Allen Ridge, and here on the right side it's a combined school. I think it starts from grade R until grade 7 years. So I think the sponsors of the school is the mines. I'm not sure, but yeah. So this is a school. It's not very far from my mother's house.
Lina, 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 Papi, Papi, Papi. Hey, Papi, Lina, 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 Papi, Papi, sama pulu, Papi, hey, Papi, enggak, enggak kamu kalah ya. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shades. So it's 4 in 1. Eyebrow razors.
Good man, yebo.
Men's wallets. Oh, what's for more, ma? A belt for me.
Babelo no kiyana mtetese.
Guys, I'm wearing now.
Kile kausu wapi?
These are men's socks, guys. Apa sa bananas? Abang tadi ke bananas. This is my blush. Hey, saan kita banana?
Gino fete ka kanta primary school.
Bun.
That are shooting out of themselves. It actually had a chance to taste these plumes, to smell them, to see what they're made out of.
After an agonizing wait,
Guys, on my next video, I'll be using this blush.
are liquid water.
I'll be doing a makeup tutorial.
Vapor jets on Enceladus is probably the most
Say hi.
important discovery.
Hi, people.
This is Minkeli.
But water is only the first in life. The other essential components are salt and heat.
Going deeper into the plume, the spacecraft collected particles and showed that they had salt. That's a big deal.
This is it, guys.
Scientists believe salt interacting with chemicals from underwater
It's a sagam.
could be how all life
Oh.
began.
There's chemistry
It's all blush. How it tastes
when
to go.
water, the salty water, is in contact with the bottom surface. The water inside the cellular sac being sprayed out into space has a salinity that
Oh, get him.
matches
It's a grip.
Earth's
It's a game.
oceans. That's
This
huge.
is a shirt.
Further readings
Men's
reveal
shirt.
the oceans on Enceladus are astonishing.
Hape ke re ne re qala ho reka dintho tsa bona, ha ba
There were
tlo
elements in the food that clearly showed that the water in the ocean was hydrothermal.
Hey, mine. This is mine. Mine is warm. This is very warm, guys. Mine is
It's
thick.
got everything we were hoping to find. It's got evidence of liquid water, organics, nitrogen, energy source. It was unbelievable.
That's it, guys. So this one is from Timu, not Shane. It was my first time buying from Timu, so I just wanted to check their quality on clothes and on like every product that they have. I just wanted to check the quality, but so far I'm happy. Don't forget to keep on watching my videos, guys. I'll be making a makeup tutorial showing you how this looks on me. This is a lipstick and this is a blush. Thank you for watching the video, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.